Hello children, here we are back to English literature class. We are going to discuss Act 3, Scene 5 of Merchant of Venice. So please keep open your book and workbook. So Act 3, Scene 5. Let's see the characterization. In this scene, the main characters are Lancelot Gobbo, Lorenzo and Jessica. Lancelot Gobbo. Let's see first Lancelot Gobbo. Gobbo is old Gobbo, that is Lancelot's father. You have already seen this. Lancelot Gobbo indulges in playful jesting at Jessica's expense. His clowning and punning contributes the comic element of the play. In this scene, Lancelot appears to be different from the previous scene where he mixed up words to produce humorous effect. Here, he puns on words. His clever punning on words is a result of the free atmosphere at Belmont, in contrast to the suffocating atmosphere of Shylock's home. Lancelot's abilities have had a chance for developing in Belmont. So here, Lancelot has got a free atmosphere. He is not tensed as he was in Shylock's house. So he has become more humorous. Lorenzo and Jessica. The loving and affectionate exchange between Lorenzo and Jessica shows their happiness at the prospect of being together. We notice how Jessica has become mature at Belmont. She has been brought up in a strict environment. In Belmont, she feels like a free bird and experiences peace. Jessica's journey from the suffocated home of Shylock to the bright open ground of Belmont is a symbolic journey from hatred to love. So please underline the important parts, and it will be easy for you to learn afterwards when you prepare for the exam. So when you come to critical comments, comic relief. The scene offers comic relief amidst the strain of Antonio's predicament. It provides much needed relief and amusement and relaxes the senses. It is in sharp contrast to the intense trial scene, which is soon to follow. The scene has Lancelot's clowning to amuse the common people. Jessica's opinion about Portia. The audience's esteem for Portia is further enhanced when Jessica speaks about Portia in glowing terms. She says that Bassanio has won a wife full of virtues and that she finds no woman in this world who can match Portia. Now, I'll give you some extra questions. After reading the workbook and textbook, you have to practice this of your own, understanding what you have read. These are some extra questions. The scene at a glance. Answer the following questions in a word or a sentence. Do Lancelot and Jessica already know each other? What is it that Christians eat but Jews do not? What has Jessica converted to? Why is Lorenzo giving orders in Portia's house? What is Jessica's opinion about Portia? Reading between the lines. You have to read the characterization first. Then you have to answer these questions. Write a short note on Lancelot. In what different ways does he produce humor? What do Lorenzo and Jessica think of Portia? You have to read themes and concepts first. Then you have to answer these questions. What do you think is the purpose of this scene? Does it take the story further? And pick out 3 examples of puns from Lancelot dialogue and explain them. So these are some extra questions for you practice after reading the textbook and the workbook part. Now children, let's go to workbook extracts. So the first extract is, please keep open your reader. Lancelot. Truly, the more to blame he. We were Christians before. Even as many as could well live, one by another. This making of Christians will raise the price of hogs. So please read the extract fully. Then let's see the questions. Where is Lancelot? Where is Launcelot? Launcelot is in the garden of Portia's house at Belmont. So garden, Portia's house, Belmont. All these three words should come. And what is he discussing and with whom? With whom is he discussing? He is discussing with Jessica. What is he discussing? He is discussing about her salvation after her death. He says that being the daughter of Jew, she would not be getting salvation after death. She will be ruined. She will be damned. Who is to be blamed more? For what reason? Next question. Lorenzo is to be blamed. Why? Because he has added one more member to the community of Christianity, thus increasing the price of pigs. And you have to explain it further. He has married Jessica. Jessica is a Jew. She got converted into Christianity after marrying Lorenzo. This you have to explain further. How would Jessica's becoming a Christian affect the price of hogs? Hogs means pigs. Number of pork eaters will increase. Thus, there will be an increase in the price. The price of hogs will rise. Then, explain the conflict of religions referred to in this scene. That is, in Bible, it is said that children will be punished for their father's sinful actions. And now here to give the example of Jessica, what Lancelot talks to Jessica. First you have to write this in Bible, what is quoted in the Bible. It is quoted that children will be punished for father's sinful actions. So here Jessica is the daughter of the Jew Shylock, and she is going to be punished after her death for her father's actions. Now, coming to next question. What did Lancelot say earlier about damnation of Jessica? How did he justify his opinion of damnation? How does Jessica hope to escape damnation? So what did Lancelot say earlier about damnation of Jessica? He is talking about the conflict of religions. That is, it is highlighted here. Conflict of religion is highlighted. And Jessica, being the daughter of a Jew, is going to be damned after her death. And how is she going to escape? She has married Lorenzo and got converted into Christianity, and she is going to be escaped from damnation. The next one, pastoral expressing, it is very meet the Lord Bassanio live an upright life for having such a blessing in his lady. He finds the joys of heaven here on earth. So what is the first question? What is pastoral expressing? That means no words to express her beauty. No words to express Portia's beauty. That is called as pastoral expressing. Then here it is told by Jessica. Jessica says these words. Pastoral words are not enough to express admiration. Then why does Jessica suggest that Bassanio should lead an upright life? Jessica suggests that Bassanio should lead an upright life because he has got such a good wife who can give heavenly pleasures on earth. So children, please take page number 153 of your reader. You can get the answer. 153 of your reader. It will be necessary for Bassanio to live an upright life since he has such a blessing in his wife. He has the joys of heaven here on the earth. If he does not value the joy while on earth, he cannot expect to go to heaven to enjoy such joys. Then what does Jessica say immediately after this extract? Praising Portia. You have to give the example which is given in 153 page in the paraphrase about that God's competitions. That is, she says that if two gods were to play game, you need not to write the word imagine. If two gods were to play some game skill and have earthly women as prizes in the context, if Portia were one of the two, there would have to be some more value added to the other woman, or else the stakes would be unequal. for this whole poor world does not have Portia's equal. This is what she told. Then coming to the next question. What has Lorenzo said earlier about Lancelot's skill in using words? That also in the same page you can see, page number 153 for your reader. He says that he has got, he is trying to show his wisdom by using words. Still, it is given 153. Now, are you trying to show your wisdom all at once? Second paragraph, page number 153, that is, he is trying to show his wisdom. And he is a good person. He has got good discretion in the choice of words. His words are befitting, and he has got a good stock of words in his mind. All this you have to write, second and fourth paragraph. Then, what mix-up of words has Lancelot done earlier in the context of serving dinner? Bring out the humor arising from this speech. He has mixed up the words. And first he misunderstands the words. Lancelot misunderstands the words. He said that prepare for dinner. And he said that yes, all are ready, all are hungry now. He took it that way. Then he uses the word cover. Uses the word cover in another meaning. When Lorenzo asked to cover the table, he said that he would not cover because Lorenzo is superior to him. So you have to explain the pun he used by the word cover. And earlier, next question. Earlier when Bassanio saw the portrait of Portia, how did he praise her? Give a brief character sketch of Lancelot in this scene. So the first part, you can see in your reader, page number 127. You would be remembering when he opened the lead casket, he saw Portia's portrait. Then he started praising it. He said that the painter has worked like a spider, spinning a golden web to entrap the hearts of men faster than the insects that are trapped in cobwebs. And how he would have been able to see. Her eyes are so attractive. All this in page number 127, you have got the answer. Already you have studied this. Character sketch. For character sketch, page number 186 of your workbook, Lancelot Gobbo characterization. So children, please complete your workbook and revise again and again. In the next video, I'll be starting poems. Thank you. Have a good time.